Bullish star chart book, map book, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.014171 and $0.026767 by 2030. Market examiners accept map book could reach $0.011022 by 2025. Bearish star map book market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.002519. Star map book chart book presentation. NFTs, the freshest obsession with the web, are supposed to influence the gaming area. This state-of-the-art innovation might change the internet-based video gaming area's financial potential. You can notice an adjustment of the specialized scene by joining NFTs with the gaming business and the possibility of the metaverse. One such exertion that is preparing for the following flood of computer games is Star Mapbook. Star Mapbook is establishing a virtual gaming climate set in the far future with a double symbolic economy. Star Chart Book players investigate the tremendous drain of space in quest for precious NFT-based jewels. It makes a metaverse experience by melding blockchain systems with NFT situated in-game things and specific designs advancements. What is Star Mapbook? Mapbook, a space-themed multiplayer game metaverse based on the Solana network, is called Star Chart Book. According to its white paper, clients may combine efforts, sort out, and battle their direction into neglected territory because of this astonishing creation. In August 2021, Star Mapbook will start its very first coin creation movement. It highlights in-game resources in view of the idea of non-fungible monetary forms, NFTs, empowering clients to oversee and bring in cash from their extraordinary resources. Each component in Star Chart Book is a NFT that has been put to the blockchain specifically. The Star Chart Book game's universe is tremendous, and players should go out on bereft, rough undertakings loaded up with various risks as they accumulate assets and endeavor to outsmart different players in the metaverse. Star Chart Book interactivity in the game. Players can make huge urban communities and private ventures or rally and make decentralized independent associations, DAO, to lead over specific regions. Players procure virtual in-game things while playing, which can be sold for genuine cash. Star Mapbook totally embraces decentralization, rather than most of concentrated gaming stages that limit the resale and full responsibility for game items. The game's NFT-empowered in-game things will be the sole property of the players, with the choice to sell them on extra NFT commercial centers. Principal examination is a far-reaching strategy that requires an exhaustive comprehension of bookkeeping, money, and financial matters. For example, understanding macroeconomic issues, knowing valuation systems, and having the option to decipher monetary records are essential for performing basic breaks down. What's more, it for the most part utilizes openly accessible information, like an organization's past income and net revenues, to gauge future development. Star Chart Book is presently worth $0.003149 United States dollars. Chart Book has moved 2.52% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $1,378,349. Star Mapbook is as of now position 520 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $30,871,157 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Star Mapbook Chart Book to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Star Mapbook market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Star Mapbook Chart Book Value Expectation 2023. Star Mapbook, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. Mapbook, the chart book cost figure for 2023, expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0.004724. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.004409 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Chart Book is supposed to have a base worth of $0.003779. Star Chart Book Value Expectation 2024. Out of 2024, Star Chart Book Map Book Cost Expectation has a lot of space for extension because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives We guess that the cost of MapBook will before long outperform $0.007873. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the MapBook's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Chartbook will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.006298 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.006928. Star Chartbook, MapBook, Value Expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.011022 and Chartbook might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Chartbook is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.010077 and a low of $0.009447 in 2025. Star MapBook, Value Expectation 2026, assuming Star Chartbook, effectively helps market feeling among digital currency devotees. The MapBook coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Chartbook will be green in 2026. The Chartbook is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.014171 with a base cost of $0.012596 and a typical cost of $0.013226. Star MapBook, Chartbook, Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Chartbook cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.016375 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.015745 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, MapBook has a greatest value worth of $0.01732. Star Chartbook, MapBook, Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.019524. On the off chance that MapBook figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.020469. Neglecting to assemble the help MapBook needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.018894. Star Chartbook, MapBook, Value Expectation 2029. While MapBook is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $0.022043 and a yearly cost close above $0.023618 in 2029. Star MapBook, Chartbook, Value Forecast 2030 by 2030. Star MapBook will at long last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $0.02